how to use ChatGPT for SEO content, 7 prompts in the correct order. If you're using ChatGPT, you must put these 7 SEO prompts in the specific order or else it won't work as well. Each result from ChatGPT is built upon the last, so the order of what you put in the prompt is important to get you the best result. If you are tired spending hours brainstorming content ideas that don't drive traffic to your website, keep watching because I'll give you 7 SEO prompts in the correct order to get your content ranked by search engines. Just put your info in the blue bracket and you are good to go. Let's say you have a website that helps people lose weight. Here's the first ChatGPT prompt to start your SEO optimization. Please give me keyword ideas for a weight loss website. Once you find some keywords that you like, you can start brainstorming content ideas. Here is the second prompt. Create a list of 10 blog ideas for a weight loss website. And you'll get 10 ideas. Once you find the blog idea that you like, it's time to create an outline. This will help you with structuring your article that makes people want to read it because it's actually fun to read. Pick one of the blog ideas that ChatGPT gave you and use this third prompt. For example, write a blog outline for the best time of day to exercise for maximum weight loss. With the outline done, it's now time to create a catchy title for your article. The key is to make your title optimized for search, has a specific tone, and one with high CTR, high click-through rate. So use this fourth prompt. Next, please write an SEO optimized title that will improve click-through rate in a playful tone. The best time of day to exercise for maximum weight loss. And you will get a high converting title. To increase your rank on search engines, you'll need to build a list of semantic keywords. These are keywords that are similar in nature that provides more context for search engines. This will help build trust and authority with the ranking algorithm. That's why you want to use this fifth prompt next. Give me some semantic keywords for weight loss. Then step back and watch what would normally take hours take seconds to populate. Well-written blogs cover topics that are related to similar themes. That's why it's a good idea to plan the topics and themes that will be covered on a website or blog with what's called a topical content map. It'll also help create a roadmap for creating relevant and targeted content in the future so that more people will discover you. That's why it's also a good idea to type this simple 6th prompt next. Please generate a topical map for weight loss. And finally, if you want to get more advanced with SEO, don't forget about the schema markup code. This is a form of structured data that is added to a web page's HTML code to help search engines understand the content on the page and provide more informative results for users. It provides additional context to the content, such as the type of content, author information, product information, or event information. Normally, you will need to spend time and advanced coding knowledge to create a schema markup code, but this can be done in seconds with ChatGPT. Simply get the website address of your blog and use this last 7th prompt. Create a schema code for this blog, and then you will enter your blog web address here. Then watch the magic happen. Once you get the code, just add it to the head section of your HTML and you are done. Want more SEO prompts in the correct order for ChatGPT? Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button because in the next episode, I'll give you even more prompts to play with. See you in the next episode!